Hey everyone, this is Josh. Thanks for participating in this workshop. I wanted to go over some of the common course design issues that we work with on-ground, hybrid, or online courses. The big issue we see are that when we teach, we all try to cover too much. We fall in love with what we teach and we want to cram it all in. And I've never worked with a faculty member who's put too little in their course. So if you can go for depth rather than breadth, you might have better courses. It's important to start out to talk to your students about why you care so much about what you're teaching, to show your passion, to be willing to be somewhat geeky about it. That passion is infectious. And then try to connect the material that you care about so much for why they should care about it. And spend time trying to connect their lives and their careers and their concerns to the material that you're teaching. A big issue we find in courses is there's not enough opportunities for active learning. Having the students actually do something with the curriculum so that they make it their own. The wonderful thing about technology is that it makes the process of active learning for large courses much easier. It's pretty easy to do active learning when you're in a seminar environment and everyone's presenting and talking. It gets more difficult in classes of 40, 50, or 60. We have lots of tools in Blackboard and other tools to make big classes feel like small classes, which really means trying to increase the opportunities for active learning. We see issues when assignments and deliverables do not follow a regular pattern. So your students are going to get used to turning in work at a certain time. If you can make that consistent throughout the term, students will be able to spend much more time in the actual assignment and not trying to figure out and think about the logistics. Putting everything up in Blackboard makes everything more transparent and visible so students can plan and know exactly what's due in the course. We also find issues when the assignments and quizzes don't match the curriculum, the lectures, or the class discussion. So it's very important that whatever we have our students do, reading, do presentations, that there's something that they have to do in turn. They do a formative quiz, they do a presentation. The two have to line up and match. And then we see lots of issues with a course being disorganized, particularly using Blackboard. If you can spend the time at the front of the course to organize the course well, you'll find that it'll go much more smoothly and it'll be much more fun to teach. Okay, looking forward to working with you.